Go.
Be aggressive, Roman.
Go, Roman, go.
Be aggressive, Roman.
Stay on him, stay on him.
Roman, don't just follow. Get aggressive. What's up, ref? Outside the ball. Hey, go. Run it through. Aiden. As soon as he kicks it, you're running straight to the goal. Hey, get ready to run. Cassius, get there. Cassius, get there. Logan, wide hand. Roman, get in there. Brody. No, Brody, forward. Aiden, stay back. Go, Jackson. Go. That's it. Go, Jackson. Jackson, stop watching. Jim, Christmas, guys. Get it, Jackson. Get Roman, stop watching. Start covering, start moving. There you go. Hey, you're not watching. Where are you going? Right, just cover it. Don't run away. Stay engaged. Jackson, get on it. Hey!
Oh, shit. Go.
Dave, you gotta play. Kick that hard. Oh my goodness. In the middle, Aiden. In the middle. In front of the goal. There you go, Gabe. Gabe, that's what I'm talking about.
Nice. Go.
Good, Jackson, hard. Don't let him have that ball. You gotta run right past you. Right, get ready. Jackson's gonna run right past you. Get ready. In the middle. There it is, Brody.